Hi, I just want to pop in here so I can cordially invite you all to this lather test on my peaceful collection of my soap. You guys know if you watched that video. If not, you can find it right in my playlist of 2025. But my peaceful collection soaps, you know, where I did the 3 soap bundle. So this is rice milk, this is oat milk, and this is coconut milk. So as you can see, I already use this one, but I just, ooh, it just feels so good. This is the one I said looks like a piece of spam, does it not? But that's okay though, because let me show y'all like what she can do even though she likes spam. Oh my gosh, you know what, I was gonna do all 3 on one video, but maybe I just, you know, I think I just want y'all to get up in here and, you know, see what she can do. Look at that. Look at that lather. Ooh. Rice milk is like one of my most favorite soaps that I've ever made. I mean, and the more you wash, the bigger the bubbles get. Look at that. And they're so creamy. It really feels like a lotion. Oh my gosh. I could just stay here and do this all day. But I just wanted to show y'all this because you should see it. And I made the 3-piece soap collection because I want you to experience all 3. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a lather test on each one in separate videos, but yeah, you're welcome.